welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to prep your skin, your feet at home. So in this video I'm using a manicure and pedicure kit to prep my feet and also some chemicals. So the number one is a hydrogen peroxide and the second one is ammonia. So take the quantity as directed in the video, because these kind of chemicals have a tendency to dries up your feet very quickly. So and now I'm using a mild shampoo which comes again with this kit. And if we talk about the chemicals using in this video, there is number one is a hydrogen peroxide and another one is ammonia. So both of these chemicals have the tendency to clean the tanning and dead skin from your feet properly and thoroughly. So and there is a disclaimer: if you have any kind of a wound or a crack heels, then also skip that part. So I am cleaning my feet properly with this mixture, and I'm keeping my feet for 10 minutes minimum, and you can exceed this time limit to 20 to 25 minutes. I have this foot brush and I'm cleaning my nails and fingers. Basically, I'm enjoying this process. It's been very long that I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube, and I'm already missing that part, but now as far as concerned, I'm enjoying this. Moving to the next step, we have a scrub, and you can use any kind of a scrub to exfoliate your feet. This is the scrub which comes in this kit, and take a generous amount of scrub on your feet, on your legs, and use circular motion. It gives a good blood circulation to your body and also cleans up your feet properly. Now again I'm using a brush to clean the tiny little scrub particles, because we are moving ahead with massage cream and it annoys if it comes like small particle in a massage cream. So we need to clean that again with brush, and I'm using a cuticle pusher to apply this massage cream on my nails. Massage cream soften the nails and cuticles. Now with the help of a cuticle pusher, push your cuticles and dead skin back gently. You can see already all the dead skin come off. And moving ahead with the another tool, this is a nail cleaner. This is optional totally. I basically used it to push all the dirt from side, and this makes my work more easier, so I use this tool. You can skip this part if you want to. So next thing is a cuticle trimmer. So I want to tell you before using this, if you won't use it like gently or in a careful manner, then this can harm you as well. So please go with this tool very gently, because it has a split ends kind of a sharp edges, and it can give you harm. So but this tool is a great invention. If you use it properly, then all your cuticles will come off as shown in the video. All my cuticles now removed properly. Now we have a pedicure stick. It comes with the pedicure kit. If you buy separately, then you can get this inside that box, and this helps to clean all the dirt and dead skin under your nails. So I used it wisely and properly, gently, because it is very sharp from the point. Now coming to the massage cream again, I applied a generous amount all over my feet and legs, and I'm massaging in a circular motion. It makes your skin more glowy, and also it helps to give a good blood circulation. Now I'm cleaning my feet with a towel or a cotton fabric. Moving forward with the last part of the pedicure, I'm using a toner. You can DIY it as well, and this is a mixture of a toner and astringent, and I'm applying this to kill all the bacteria. So yeah, thanks for watching the whole video, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye, take care.